What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be doing something awesome, something special, because it's not only for Tacoma owners, it's actually for every single owner that owns a vehicle. So it's going to be an awesome video. Let's go ahead and get to it. I'm super excited because I've been waiting for this. So let's do it. I'll show you what it is. So before we do the install, I wanted to show you guys the before so you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about. So of course, on these 2020 Tacomas, as you can tell, they do come with like a two-tone seat. I really love the look, but I know over time, if I leave it like that, they're gonna start getting stained, really dirty, and just it's not gonna look good over time. I know that. So what I'm gonna be doing is, of course, installing these rough country seat covers, which are gonna be for the front and the back. And as stated, they're super affordable. That's why I got them. And another thing I did want to give you guys, of course, vacuum out your car and clean your seats as much as you can. If it does have a stain, I would probably recommend cleaning it out first, and then you go ahead and install the seat covers. So let's go ahead and now show you what comes inside the box and get it done. Really quick, you guys, of course, right now they are installed, but I want to go ahead and let you guys know before we do get into the installation process of this, I think I did do one step incorrectly. So after we finish up the install, I'll go ahead and get back to you guys and show you guys what I think I did incorrectly, but overall they still look good, they still work great, and I love them. So let me go ahead and show you what comes inside the box if you do get them from Rough Country. So of course, with these, you're gonna get the headrest covers, so that's really awesome that they offer it all together. It's gonna come, of course, with the driver's seat. And as you can tell, the quality on this thing is actually pretty good. I know you guys can't feel it, but in person, it's actually not that bad for what you pay for these. It does come with the factory pocket, so you won't lose that pocket that is in back of the seat. It actually comes with it. And as stated, I mean, these are made exactly for this specific Tacoma. So it's gonna be a factory fit. And it does come, of course, with the fittings and everything you're gonna need to install these properly. The passenger seat, which of course is exactly the same as the driver's seat. So now for the back seats, it is specific for the Tacoma as stated. So you're gonna get your headrest and you're gonna get the middle headrest. So let me put this off to the side. You're of course gonna get the smaller seat. If you guys do have a Tacoma, you know the seats are kind of retractable. So on one side, you only have one seat that kind of moves around. And on the opposite side, you're gonna have two seats that are together. So that would be your two seats right here. And it also comes with the headrest. So let's go ahead and now put them on. The first thing we're gonna be doing is removing the headrest from the actual truck. So let's move in really quick so that way you can see exactly how to remove it. So you're gonna notice this is almost like any vehicle that you do have. There is a little latch right here which releases the headrest. Let's go ahead and first do that. That's what we'll start with. First, install the headrest cover. Just right here at the bottom, there is a Velcro, and that's gonna just kind of help it seal and kind of stay together so it doesn't fall off. So let's go ahead and put it on. So once you have it in this position here, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this part, I did stop recording because it is kind of hard. You have to just kind of stretch it over as hard as you can. And then once you're done, you can go ahead and put the Velcro and then call it a day. So let's do that now. Once you've worked around it, now you have your finished product. You can go ahead and put this off to the side. We'll reinstall it after. Now moving on to the actual seat cover. Let's go ahead and open it up. You're gonna notice there is these buckles here. So you wanna go ahead and unbuckle them. Just push these two down, it unbuckles. And then go ahead and unbuckle this one as well. So once you do so, of course, you'll be able to tell which way it goes. It's kind of common sense on this. So you want to go ahead and grab it and just literally just put it over. Let me go ahead and keep going with that, and then I'll get back to you guys. So really quick, right now that we're in the back, I just wanted to let you guys know, at this point, if you already have the seat cover over, you're gonna notice at the top right here, there is gonna be pre-cut holes, so that way you could reinstall your headrest. You could do it now or after the whole install is actually done. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it now so you guys can kind of see how it's looking. So there you go. And what I had stated about the pockets for these being kind of like a factory is because on the factory actual seats, you do get these pockets from Tacoma. So now with the seat covers, some people may think you may lose those pockets, but if you look here, it actually still has that pocket. So you're not losing any storage space if you guys utilize this. I don't, but it's cool that it's there. So now for here, you're gonna notice the buckles that we did unbuckle are here now. So we're gonna kind of stretch these over and around, and we're gonna go back to the driver's side in the front and just buckle them in. That simple. So right now I'll go ahead and get off really quick. I just wanted to show you guys with this, you can still actually utilize your power seats and all that. It's not really in the way. I actually kind of like it that it covers it up. I think this is more meant for like the auto ones, you know, the ones that you guys, the manual ones I should say, the ones that have the lever right here and another ball right here. As far as for mine, of course, since it is a 2020, it does have the power seats. So that's actually cool though. It covers it up very well. So I'm going to do the same exact steps that I did to this one, which was just literally cover it over, and from underneath you go ahead and snap the two of the buckles together, and then after that you put down these straps, you kind of wrap it around, and they hook onto the seat. Nothing hard. Now I'm going to go ahead and move to the back seats. I'm going to go ahead and start with the easiest one, which is the one that just has one seat. So I'm going to grab one of the headrests. You're going to notice there is 3 of them total. 2 are bigger and 1 is smaller. I'm going to grab one of the big ones, and then you're going to notice, of course, one of this, which is going to be the top half of the seat, and then one of this part, which is going to be the bottom half of the seat. We're going to go ahead and start with the headrest first, of course, because since it is the easiest, and then we're going to go ahead and just literally put this over. And on this one, you're going to notice there is no Velcro, so just kind of get it as deep as you can. Securely wrapped it around. Now let's go ahead and move on to the seats. Start with the bottom half, so let's grab that. I'm gonna go ahead and unlock this. There is a slot here. You want this slot to be towards the back. Securely put it around, reinstall the buckles. Now we finished the bottom half, let's go ahead and move on to this top half. So you want to go ahead and unbuckle the buckles really quick. Look for the 2 pre-cut holes. Those are going to be the top for your headrest. Now you want to go ahead and slide it over, of course. Put the buckles under. These under so it's easier to grab them. Put the buckle. Tighten it down. And buckle it up. Strap it down. Let's grab our 3 straps. Connect them. Connect them. Connect them. And you're all set here. And then right here, you want to make sure, of course, to pull out your strap, because you're going to need that whenever you bring down the seat. Let's go ahead and reinstall this. All right, so this side is going to be the after, as you can tell. It still looks really good, still super functional. Here's your strap if you want to go ahead, pull it up. Your seat still goes down. This seat still works. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to the other side, and then we're basically done. Super simple install. All right, so I'm going to show you in the driver's side where I think I did do it incorrectly. So of course, right here, you're going to notice there is these like strap things. There is one on this side, one on the opposite side. There is one right here and one on the opposite side of that. So I'm not sure if they just tie in right about here, just like that, or if you're actually supposed to wrap them connected to the one on the opposite side. For me, this hasn't been a problem, but I just wanted to go ahead and give you guys a disclaimer on this specific part. But overall, as I stated, they look great. They've been working good. I've had them on for a while now. Another thing I wanted to note that I didn't state in the video is these are actually really comfortable as well. They do get a little bit hot, but they are really comfortable. So they kind of add a little bit more support on the bottom and on the top for your back. So they're nice overall. If you do want them, from, they're in the description box below. And then one thing I did also want to note is if you guys do have a 2020 like mine and you guys have the automatic seats or the powered seats, you're going to notice this is covered. So I don't mind it because I feel like, you know, it's going to cover it from dust, but that might bother some people. So I just want to show you guys that. But overall, like I said, they're good for the price and they look great. You guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was super quick and not really an actual install, but I just wanted to show you guys something that I found and that I found useful for my own truck, which is of course seat covers, because I don't want to ruin my seats in the long run. You don't have to purchase these exact ones. I just found them really affordable and it was an actual brand versus getting something, you know, that's not brand and ripping or something. So I felt a little bit more comfortable just going with these. If you guys do want to purchase some, it's going to be in the description box below. Don't forget to share the videos and just help us grow all together. That way we can do a lot more things for you guys that do watch and actually support the channel. So if you guys did enjoy today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.